Hi guys, this is Alec from Unbox It, and we're going to be doing a review on the S510 keyboard from Logitech. Now, this keyboard is priced around $100, and some of the pros are that it's very sleek looking and looks very nice on your desk. It has all these multimedia shortcut keys here, as you can see. All these multimedia shortcut keys. Here we have a mute, volume, shuffle, forward, back, stop, play, and music. So it has all these multimedia keys. It also has 4 programmable keys, as well as when you're typing with the keyboard. See this curve in the keyboard here? When you type with it, your palms or wrists sit firmly right here, so it's a comfortable position. Now, some of the cons with this keyboard are when I usually type with these prongs up. That's how I usually do my computing. Sorry about that. That's how I usually do my computing, with those prongs up. Now, that feels great with this nice big arc here for your wrists. But when you have these prongs down, this wrist curve, supposed to shape your hand to the keyboard, is a little bit overkill. Your hands are almost pointing down like this, which personally I don't like. That may be your thing. Now, the keys are not very loud, which is very nice. I believe it is mechanical by the way it sounds. And then there's a lot of hotkeys up here too. You can open up Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint just with those keys, which is very nice. Print, save, and whatnot. All right. Another con that I have with this keyboard is these prongs right here. They don't have feet on them, so they could scratch your desk. But other than that, I give this keyboard probably a 7 out of 10. I've used a good amount of keyboards. It's definitely better than the keyboard that came with your computer, which is probably some crappy Dell keyboard, unless you have an Apple, and those keyboards are superb. Now, for an overview, this is a great entry-level keyboard for people who don't like using the bad keyboard that came with their computer. It's got many hotkeys for a beginner, including giving you little tips on what each key does in terms of like Control Z for undo, Control C copy, Control V paste, that kind of deal. It gives you many hints right there. So that is the Logitech S510 keyboard. This has been Alec for Unbox It, and I will see you guys next time.